Question number 1 is, which type of industry is engaged in the production of goods in large quantities? First is cottage, second is small scale, third is large scale, fourth is household. Answer to question number 1 is large scale. Question number 2 is, which of the following is not a type of manufacturing industry? First is agro-based, second is mineral-based, third is forest-based, fourth is marine-based. Answer to question number 2 is forest-based. Question number 3 is, which state in India is known for its large automobile industry? First is Karnataka, second is Tamil Nadu, third is Maharashtra, fourth is Gujarat. Answer to question number 3 is Tamil Nadu. Question number 4 is, which of the following is a renewable source of energy for industries? First is coal, second is natural gas, third is wind energy, fourth is petroleum. Answer to question number 4 is wind energy. Question number 5 is, the term industrial revolution is associated with which period? First is 17th century, second is 18th century, third is 19th century, fourth is 20th century. Answer to question number 5 is 18th century. Question number 6 is, which of the following cities is known as the Detroit of India due to its automobile industry? First is Mumbai, second is Chennai, third is Pune, fourth is Bengaluru. Answer to question number 6 is Chennai. Question number 7 is, which industry uses rubber as its raw material? First is textile, second is chemical, third is automobile, fourth is cement. Answer to question number 7 is automobile. Question number 8 is, which industry is considered as the sunrise industry in India? First is textile, second is information technology, third is iron and steel, fourth is cement. Answer to question number 8 is information technology. Question number 9 is, which of the following factors affect the location of industries? First is raw material, second is labor, third is transport, fourth is all of the above. Answer to question number 9 is all of the above. Question number 10 is, which industry in India was developed with the help of Russia? First is IT, second is iron and steel, third is cement, fourth is textile. Answer to question number 10 is iron and steel. Question number 11 is, which of the following is a mineral-based industry? First is sugar, second is iron and steel, third is textile, fourth is paper. Answer to question number 11 is iron and steel. Question number 12 is, which state in India is known for the highest production of rubber? First is Tamil Nadu, second is Kerala, third is Maharashtra, fourth is Andhra Pradesh. Answer to question number 12 is Kerala. Question number 13 is, which of the following industries is known for using a large amount of fossil fuels? First is textile, second is IT, third is cement, fourth is dairy. Answer to question number 13 is cement. Question number 14 is, which industry is considered a heavy industry? First is handloom, second is electronics, third is iron and steel, fourth is garment. Answer to question number 14 is iron and steel. Question number 15 is, the software technology park is associated with which industry? First is textile, second is cement, third is IT, fourth is automobile. Answer to question number 15 is IT. Question number 16 is, which city is famous for its silk industry in India? First is Mumbai, second is Varanasi, third is Chennai, fourth is Bangalore. Answer to question number 16 is Varanasi. Question number 17 is, which of the following is not a characteristic of large-scale industry? First is large capital investment, second is large production volume, third is use of advanced technology, fourth is family-based labor. Answer to question number 17 is family-based labor. Question number 18 is, which of the following cities is known for its leather industry? First is Kanpur, second is Mumbai, third is Ahmedabad, fourth is Kolkata. Answer to question number 18 is Kanpur. Question number 19 is, which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? First is solar, second is wind, third is coal, fourth is hydro. Answer to question number 19 is coal. Question number 20 is, which region in India is known for its silk textile industry? First is Western India, second is Northern India, third is Southern India, fourth is Eastern India. Answer to question number 20 is Southern India. Question number 21 is, which type of industry provides the maximum employment opportunities? First is cottage industry, second is small scale industry, third is large scale industry, fourth is IT industry. Answer to question number 21 is small scale industry. Question number 22 is, which one of the following industries is not an example of a secondary industry? First is mining, second is construction, third is manufacturing, fourth is textile. Answer to question number 22 is mining. Question number 23 is, which factor does not affect the location of an industry? First is raw material availability, second is labor availability, third is market proximity, fourth is climatic conditions. Answer to question number 23 is climatic conditions. Question number 24 is, which of the following cities is known for its shipbuilding industry? First is Mumbai, second is Kochi, third is Visakhapatnam, fourth is Chennai. Answer to question number 24 is Vishakhapatnam. Question number 25 is which industry is most closely associated with pollution? First is IT, second is tourism, third is cement, fourth is handloom. Answer to question number 25 is cement. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.